Hello everybody. Today's topic is numericals of osmotic pressure. The first problem is when 1 liter solution contain 6 gram urea having molecular weight 60 and 9 gram of glucose having molecular weight 180, then calculate the osmotic pressure of the produced solution at 27 degrees centigrade. That means in this question the volume of the solution is 1 liter and two solute add to it. One is 6 gram urea, that means 6 by 60 mole urea, that means 0.1 mole urea, and the second solute is 9 gram glucose, that means 9 by 180 mole urea glucose, that means 0.05 mole glucose. That means total concentration of urea and glucose is 0.1 plus 0.05. This is the molar concentration of total molar concentration of urea and glucose is 0.01 plus 0.05 is equal to 0.15. Now we know pi is equal to RCT. Putting the values of R 0.089 into 0.15, values of C, and T is 27 degrees centigrade, that means 327 plus 273 Kelvin. By multiplying it, we can get the values of pi, and which is 3.69 atmosphere. So, osmotic pressure of the produced solution having two solute, glucose and urea, is 3.69 angstrom. Now my second problem is the osmotic pressure of glucose shows 365.65 mmHg at 20 degrees centigrade temperature, and then this solution diluted at 30 degrees centigrade temperature, and the produced solution shows osmotic pressure 75.62 mmHg. Determine the extent of dilution. So the numericals have two parts. One is before dilution and another is after dilution. Before dilution, pi is equal to 365.65 mmHg. Temperature capital T is equal to 20 plus 273, that means 293 K, and let molar concentration is C1. So pi is equal to RC1T, or 365.65 is equal to R into C1 into 293, or C1 is equal to 365.65 by R into 293. This is the molar concentration of solution before dilution. Now After dilution, values of pi becomes 75.62 mmHg, T becomes 30 plus 273, that means 303 K, and let concentration become C2. So pi is equal to RC2T, or C2 means 75.62 by R into 303. Now dividing C1 by C2, we get 365.65 by R into 293 into R into 303 by 75.62. By calculating, we get C1 by C2 is equal to 5. So C1 is equal to 5C2. So the solution diluted by 5 times. This is the answer. Now my next problem is related with isotonic solution. How much glucose should be dissolved per liter in solution so that it will be isotonic with blood? The osmotic pressure of blood is 7.65 atmosphere at 37 degrees centigrade. Now, how much glucose in gram should be dissolved per liter of solution so that it will be isotonic with blood? Given osmotic pressure of blood is 7.65 atmosphere at 37 degrees centigrade. Now, due to isotonic solution, so pi of blood is equal to pi of glucose. Let W gram glucose required in solution. So mass of glucose is W gram, its molecular weight M is 180. So how many mole of glucose add to the solution? So number of mole of glucose is equal to W by 180. Let volume of solution is 1 liter. So the molar concentration C of glucose is W by 180. So pi of blood is equal to pi of glucose is equal to R into C into T, or 7.65 is equal to 0.089 into W by 180, and T is 37 degrees centigrade, so is 310 K. So W is equal to 54.10 gram. So 54.10 gram glucose required per liter of solution so that it will be isotonic with blood at 37 degree centigrade temperature. My fourth problem is a solution contain 10.2 gram glycerin per liter is found to be isotonic with 2% glucose solution. Calculate the molar mass of glycerin. So this problem is drawn in two pictures. Left hand side is glycerin solution, volume 1 liter, weight taken 10.2 gram, and molecular weight taken as m, and temperature is T Kelvin. So concentration of the solution is 10.2 by m, molar concentration. So pi is equal to pi of glycerin pi is equal to R into 10.2 by m into T. This is the osmotic pressure of glycerin solution. Now on the other hand, in glucose solution, here volume is 100 ml. So 100 ml contain 2 by 180 mole glucose. 1000 ml contain 20 by 180 mole glucose. That means 19 mole glucose. So concentration of glucose solution is 19 molar. So pi of glucose is R into C means 1.9 into T. Since the solution, both solutions are isotonic in nature, so pi of glycerin is equal to pi of glucose, or R into 10.2 T by m is equal to R into 1.9 into T. By calculating, we get the values of m. We get the values of m is 91.8. Now, molar mass have an unit. Here the unit is gram per mole. So m values is 91.8 gram per mole. So molecular weight of glycerin is 91.8 gram per mole. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe of my channel, and also send valuable comments in this topic also. Thank you.